sir. Reading you loud and clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so we got a new problem. Answer's still the same. Find the measure of the exterior angle, okay, which is this angle out here, exterior to the triangle. Remember, the principle is the sum of the two angles. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two angles not adjacent to itself. So these two angles should equal this. So if I were to write an equation, what should the equation look like? So the exterior angle, 10x plus 9, should equal to the sum of the two angles, which is x plus 1 plus 38. So the first thing I see I can do is I can simplify the right-hand side of the equation by adding 1 plus 38. So that's going to give me 10x plus 9 equal to x plus 39. Okay, and then I am going to subtract 9 from both sides. That's 9. Minus 9. So if I subtract 9 from the left-hand side, that'll leave me with the 10x. And if I subtract 9 from the right-hand side, that'll give me an x plus 30, correct? And now what I need to do here to simplify this equation, I can bring x's over to the left-hand side by doing what? Subtracting x from both sides, yes. So subtract x from the left side and subtract x from the right side. The 10x minus x becomes 9x. And the x minus x goes away, so you're just left with what on the right-hand side? Okay. 30. And then we're going to divide 9 by both sides, so this is going to leave us with a fraction. So x divided by 9 will be obviously x. Okay. And then if you divide 30 by 9, just write it as a fraction, 30 over 9. And then let's reduce that fraction. So I divide both by 3. Divide both by 3, that leaves me with the 10 over 3. And then how many times does 3 go into 10? 3 times, right? 3 times 3 is 9. What does that leave remainder of? 1 and a third. So x is 3 1/3 degrees. Okay, very interesting. So if I were to plug that into the exterior angle, I'm probably going to use this 10 over 3 versus the 3 1/3. Either way, you can use both. So if I plug this in, 10x multiplied by 3 1/3, let's just go ahead and use the 10 1/3. So let's use our pencil here. So I have 10, and I'm multiplying it by 10 1/3. So this is fractions multiplied by 10 over 3. Okay. So how do you multiply fractions? Top times top, bottom times bottom. Messed up on the math. So let's try that again. Okay. So 10 times 10 is supposed to be 100. That's how you multiply fractions, top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 3 should be 3. Okay. And then you can do your math. 3 into 100. Okay, so 3 goes into 10 3 times. Gives you a 9. You subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the 0. 10 goes into 10 goes into 10 3 times. Same thing, 9. You got a remainder of 1. So 100 over 3 is a 33 and a third. Okay. So, plus 9. So 33 and a third plus 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, so 42 and a third. So that looks a whole lot better. So this is 42 and a third. And then 38 plus 3 and a third is 42 and a third. So these two angles equal this angle right here. All right. Thank you all you super geniuses for watching. Hope that helps. And thank you for liking, comment, and subscribing. See you next time.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear, clear, clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5,